Welcome to our channel, Healthiers. Ready to be 1% better? Today we are going to talk about all you need to know of the dark side of cucumbers. So check it out, especially if you are over 40. Keep till the end to blow your mind with these information. And remember, let's be just 1% healthier every day. Ditch the hype, grab a cucumber. This secret superfood unlocks weight loss and glowing skin. Hey there, gorgeous. Ever think that plain-looking green veggie could be your secret weapon for a total health makeover? Get ready for a shocker. The humble cucumber is actually a superfood in disguise. While you were busy searching for expensive supplements and crazy diets for weight loss and glowing skin, the solution was right under your nose in the produce aisle. Now hold on. Before you think I'm trying to sell you cucumbers or something like I have stock in big cucumber, hear me out. I'm here to spill the tea on a secret the beauty and diet industry doesn't want you to know. Why? Because it's too simple, too affordable, and dare I say, too effective. You're probably rolling your eyes, thinking, here we go again, another miracle promise. But before you click away, give me just one more minute. What if I told you this unassuming veggie could outperform those pricey anti-aging creams? What if it could be your best friend in conquering the scale without the dreaded starvation mode? Sounds too good to be true, right? But science is backing me up on this one. Recent studies are uncovering incredible properties in cucumbers that have researchers shook. And the best part, you don't need a PhD in nutrition to reap the benefits. Just incorporate this superfood into your routine in simple, delicious ways. Ready for a sneak peek? In this video, we're diving deep into how cucumbers can hydrate your body like a boss, become your skin's new BFF, help you shed those stubborn pounds, give your heart some serious TLC. Soothe your digestive system, flood your body with disease-fighting antioxidants of pack a punch. Against cancer, yep, you heard right. All this in one accessible, delicious, and versatile food. We're talking about a true nutritional Swiss Army knife that can transform your health from the inside out. Let's get started. Hydration hero and detox dynamo. Knew that long green veggie, often forgotten in the crisper drawer, could be a fountain of youth for our bodies? Well, get this, cucumbers are a hydration powerhouse. Packing a whopping 96% water, this veggie is practically a walking oasis. Just imagine, while you're munching on those refreshing slices, your body's getting an internal shower. It's like each bite is a mini gulp of water, but 1,000 times tastier and packed with nutrients. But wait, there's more. Cucumbers aren't just natural thirst quenchers, they're also master detoxifiers. You know that sluggish feeling, like you ate something that didn't agree with you? Cucumbers are experts at giving your body a deep clean, flushing out those built-up toxins. It's like a natural cleanse, but without the harsh chemicals. Try adding cucumber slices to your water for an extra hydration and detox boost. You'll love the refreshing flavor. Skincare superhero, unlock your natural Glauber thought why those cucumber slices on the eyes aren't just a movie cliche. This veggie is a portable spa for our skin. Loaded with vitamin C and caffeic acid, cucumbers are like a natural sunscreen, helping to reduce damage from those sneaky UV rays. Imagine, while you're soaking up the sun, your cucumber snack is working behind the scenes to keep your skin youthful and radiant. Isn't that amazing? And hold on, there's even more. Cucumbers are also natural anti-inflammatories, perfect for soothing irritated skin after a stressful day. You know when you wake up with a puffy face like you picked a fight with your pillow? Chilled cucumber slices are the answer. It's like a refreshing hug for your skin. And the best part, you can enjoy them both internally by eating them and externally by applying them directly to your skin. Try a DIY cucumber face mask with grated cucumber. Your skin will thank you. Weight loss wonder. The snack that works as hard as you. Who hasn't dreamt of that magical snack that satisfies hunger without packing on the pounds? Well, stop dreaming, because it exists, and it's probably chilling in your fridge right now. My friends, the cucumber is the ultimate snack for those watching their weight. With very few calories and high water content, it's a wild card in the game of dieting. Got those afternoon cravings? Instead of attacking the cookie jar, how about some cucumber slices with a sprinkle of salt? You trick your tummy, stay hydrated, and avoid the guilt trip. But the cucumber's weight loss magic doesn't stop there. It's rich in fiber, which means it keeps you feeling fuller for longer. It's like a secret weapon to outsmart your stomach. You eat less but feel satisfied. And there's more. Cucumbers help reduce bloating and water retention. So, not only do they help you avoid weight gain, but they also make you look slimmer. How about swapping that afternoon bread for a cucumber sandwich? Cut the cucumber into thick slices, add a light spread, and voila! A delicious and diet-friendly snack. Heart health hero. Give your ticker some love. Whoa, knew this refreshing green veggie could be such a heartthrob? Cucumbers are practically cardiologists in food form. Packed with potassium and magnesium, this green machine is an expert at keeping blood pressure in check. It's like every bite is a gentle hug for your heart, saying, "Relax, I've got you." And it doesn't stop there. Cucumbers are also loaded with fiber, which acts like a broom for bad cholesterol. Just imagine, while you're enjoying your salad, your body's giving your arteries a good scrub. But wait, the Cucumber's Heart Healthy show goes on. You know that daily stress that makes your heart race faster than a school marching band? Cucumbers have calming properties that help reduce anxiety, which in turn lowers blood pressure. It's like every slice is a meditation session for your cardiovascular system. Kickstart your day with a green juice of cucumber, apple, and ginger. Your heart will thank you, and you'll be energized to conquer the day. Digestive system's best friend, smooth moves ahead. Ever think of your digestive system as a highway? Well, cucumbers are like a fresh layer of asphalt on that road. With their high water and soluble fiber content, they're the perfect fuel for keeping things moving smoothly. It's like every bite is a green light for your gut. Stubborn constipation? Consider it a thing of the past with cucumbers. And the best part, they do all of this without the discomfort that some high-fiber foods can cause. We're talking first-class digestion, folks. But wait, there's more. Cucumbers aren't just for those who want to, shall we say, go more often. They're also aces at regulating blood sugar levels. Thanks to a special fiber called pectin, cucumbers help prevent those blood sugar spikes after meals. It's like every slice is a bodyguard, keeping your sugar in line. Try a refreshing tzatziki, that Greek cucumber and yogurt dip. Not only is it delicious, but it's also a powerful combo for digestive health. Your gut and your taste buds will thank you. Antioxidant powerhouse. Fight aging and disease from within. Whoa, wouldn't want a magic potion against aging? Well, it might be sitting in your fridge right now. Cucumbers are a treasure trove of antioxidants, loaded with tannins and flavonoids. It's like every bite is an army of tiny superheroes entering your body to fight those villains known as free radicals. Feeling tired and sluggish? That could be oxidative stress in action, and cucumbers are here to stop it in its tracks. But hold on, it gets even better. Those cucumber antioxidants aren't just good for keeping you looking young. They're also pros at reducing the risk of chronic diseases. It's like cucumbers are an invisible shield, protecting you from a whole host of health problems. How about a refreshing smoothie with cucumber, spinach, and green apple? It's not just delicious but also a powerhouse of antioxidants for your body. Your health and skin will thank you. Potential cancer fighter. Packing a powerful punch. Ever heard of cucurbitacins and lignans? No? Well, these complicated names belong to the superheroes that make cucumbers potential cancer fighters. Studies have shown that these substances can inhibit the growth of cancer cells. It's like cucumbers are secret agents infiltrating your body and stopping those bad cells from spreading. Impressive, right? And the best part, you get all this just by munching on some crunchy slices. And there's more. Besides directly combating cancer cells, cucumbers also strengthen your body's natural defenses. With their high concentration of antioxidants, they help prevent cell damage that can lead to cancer. It's like each cucumber is a mini protective shield for your cells. Try incorporating cucumbers into all your meals. Add slices to your breakfast sandwich, create a delicious salad for lunch, or enjoy a refreshing cucumber juice for dinner. Your body will thank you for this protection boost. The Cucumber Challenge. Are you ready for a health revolution in your life? So, are you still thinking this superfood is just another boring veggie? After all you've learned, can you manage to ignore this amazing food? Now comes the most important part. What are you going to do with all this info? How about incorporating cucumbers into your daily routine? Try adding slices to your morning water, making a refreshing juice, or simply munching on a few slices as a snack. Pay attention to how your body responds. Feeling more hydrated? Is your skin glowing? Is it easier to manage those hunger pangs between meals? Speaking about changes, have you considered how many expensive products in your beauty cabinet could be replaced by a simple homemade cucumber ask, or how many calories you could cut by swapping those chips for cucumber sticks with a sauce? But don't stop there. I challenge you to try a cucumber week. Include this superfood in at least one meal a day and take note of how you feel. You never know, you might discover benefits we haven't even mentioned here. So, are you excited to embark on this transformation? Or do you still think this is all too much fuss over a cucumber? Remember, sometimes the simplest solutions are the most powerful. Don't underestimate the power of this green machine. Now, an important question. Do you know anyone else who could benefit from this information? A friend who's always complaining about their skin? An aunt struggling with obesity? How about sharing this knowledge? And speaking of sharing, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. After all, the cucumber is just the tip of the iceberg. We have many more nutritional secrets to reveal, and you won't want to miss out. So what do you say? Ready to give cucumbers a chance and revolutionize your health? The decision is yours. But remember, the biggest changes start with the smallest steps. And speaking of changes and superfoods, you won't believe what we've discovered about another common ingredient in your kitchen. It's so powerful that some are even calling it the new cucumber. Curious? Then don't miss our next video, where we'll reveal this surprising food that might be even more beneficial than cucumbers. Will it dethrone our green friend? Stay tuned. Join us and be 1% healthier every day. I compromise to bring you always new informational videos and reply to all the comments. I said all.